Hey guys, today I just got the Redbird that I got today. You can see the back. It's a 7 train, Flushing local. And yeah, let's unbox this. Unbox, I meant. Okay, it's gonna be a little hard to unbox, and I'm gonna unbox this quickly as I can. Ugh! I think I broke the box. No, not really. Alright guys, I just got it out. Quickly as I can, because I'm quickest. Yep. Here's the box. Box right there. It says 7 Heaven. I'm gonna check this later. Alright. So here is my Redbird. My final Redbird. Yep. It says Flushing local. 7 train. And yeah, the bottom is 060320. That's weird. The side, the front, the other side, and the back. Yep. Once again, here's the paper. 7 Heaven. Yep. Hope you guys like my channel and subscribe. Bye guys. Have a great summer.